I wanted to show you the difference between the colors of the preview and the live screen. So preview will always be orange and live will always be green, green for go. And whatever you see here is what you're getting ready to cut to or fade to. And whatever you see here is your actual Facebook stream. So notice the different colors down here. You have yellow, which is your preview, and this one is green, which is your live. So down here, this shows you what is preview and what is live. Now I'm going to cut over from here to there. Notice how this changes down here. Watch. So now you have your live on camera 1 and your preview on camera 2. So if I want to go to preview for 3, watch this. It turns orange yellow. And that's the difference between the colors. Again, we covered this in adding inputs, but just real briefly, these are all categorized. So notice down here, these colors. So these 3 are your cameras. There's your camera, and if you click on that, it just shows your camera views. If you click the gray, it shows all inputs. Over here, you've got 2 purple. That's your sermons. A red is your scriptures, and blue is your photos. There's no video right now, but that kind of shows you so you can actually just isolate and have your sermon titles or your photos, but probably you'll have this open all the time because you'll want to have these views accessible. So that is the tutorial on the difference between the preview and the live stream.